Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I think it's been like 2 weeks since my last video update, so now it's a little bit rainy. Finally had a chance and time to install the new Hardrace Strut bar for my Honda Odyssey. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Let's start. So this is a trial and error. I'm not quite sure if I'm doing it right. So my first attack will be removing the plate of the strut bar and try to install this first. Then we'll put the bar itself. I already removed the cover where we're gonna attach that with the use of a prying tool. So this cover is actually in there. That cover is actually there. Just remove it and you have the access for the two bolts that you're gonna use, which is 1 and 2. Same thing you're gonna do on the other side. Alright, so now these two bolts are already removed from there by the use of a socket range 14mm, and we'll try to fit this in there with the bolts. If it's successful, then we'll do it in that other side. There you go guys, on the left side it's successful. Hope it will be that easy on the right side as well. Let's keep on going. Okay, for this side guys, we basically need to remove this cover because as you can see there's a bar there. It will be easier to access from the inside. Let's take it out. So you need to remove the cover for the rubber grommet cover for the wiper and 17mm socket wrench to remove this wiper. After removing that, then I think we can access the whole thing without removing the rest of the plastic cover. Well, I eventually removed everything because it's hard to access that bit. There you go guys, the cover is now back on. So all we need to do is attach this bar to this hole with the screws and nuts and bolts supplied with the washer as well, and after that we're good to go. There you go guys, finally installation done. I'm still gonna do something about that hole there, because honestly I don't like how it looks. But now all I need to do is go for a drive and test the strut bar. Alright guys, just to finish up, I already managed to do a cover for that. I just used the OEM cover, just put a little bit of cut, and I'm happy. Alright guys, before we end this video, just a quick shout out to JDM Yard and Hardrace for these fantastic suspension parts. I'll put the link down the description if you want or need any JDM performance parts for your JDM cars. Call JDM Yard. And please support my channel, subscribe and like this video. Have a good day. Peace out.